Oh, look at that.
Yeah, it's pretty bad.
You're not gonna be able to say much of this. Capture the rust detail in core panel.
Oh, got it. Adding it to the checklist. Okay, I've got the record panel documented.
Where's something thought the rust goes deep here?
And it's not even
What are the extent of this rust? I know. It's almost completely gone. Check rock panel. Search for it. Noted. 57 sheet. But it's still Chevelle.
and that's worth saving.
Yeah, it sure is. Look at the state of this thing.
It's worse than we thought.
Can you say it?
Wow, look at the rust.
Almost there. Look at that thing. What a wreck. Yeah, but it's got potential.
She's finally here. The Chevelle.
Look at this rust. It's just everywhere. I don't know how we're gonna fix this. The amount of rust here is severe. Almost 70% coverage. Yep.
It's in rough shape, but we can do this.
Yep. We gotta work it out for us. Interesting.
Look at that texture.
Just as fragile as I thought. Severe rust coverage. Fog headlights. Pitted bumpers. This one's a challenge, but salvageable. All right. This is gonna be a challenge, but we'll save it. All right. Front quarter first.
Got it.
Now the arch. Get the rear too.
Okay, got that.
Put detail.
One more.
Capture the rust detail in core panel.
Oh, got it. Adding it to the checklist. Okay, I've got the record panel documented.
Where's something thought the rust goes deep here? Oh, look at that.
Yeah, it's pretty bad.
You're not gonna be able to say much of this. Keep it steady. This is stubborn.
Wow, look at the difference.
Yeah, it's getting there. All right, come on, just a little more. Oh, I got it. It's off. Almost there. Okay, nice and easy. Got it.
And it's not even oh, that's good. That's good. Okay, done.
We're gonna take that window. You got it now.
Steady.
Just a little further.
We got it.
Where's the other one? Want to run on the move? All right, lining it up now. Got it. Just need to bolt it down.